Okay, Ahmed, welcome. Are you hear me?
Good afternoon, Professor.
Yes, good afternoon, Ahmed. Very well. Okay, so Ahmed, okay, very well. So Ahmed, it is hard for me, but it may be more easy for you. Can you now send a message to the group of your
Yes.
yes
Yes, actually, I'm sending to them. Actually, yeah, I'm writing to them. Yeah.
WhatsApp to group 211. Yes, that we now have online lecture. Yes, so let the students, other students, your group enter this online lecture. So can you send this message in WhatsApp or no? No.
Yes, I'm sending actually. Yeah, I'm writing for them.
That is hard to me. I have WhatsApp only in computer.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
Okay, so and now I will. I'm sorry, I am late a little. Okay, so I had the previous conference, previous lesson. So now we have the lesson about C++. We will start C++. Okay. So let us go to the Moodle. Sorry. Okay, so let us go to the Moodle. There is Moodle. Moodle is here. Okay. So this is the page Computer Science and Engineering First Course, your course. And now, so let us try to add new lecture, lecture 8. Okay, so in the form of the file, yes, HTML or even not a file. I'm sorry. It is not a file, it is a new page. New page. So page страница in Russian. Let us add. Okay, so add the lecture. Okay, so Emmanuel is here. Very well. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you very much. Okay, so Emmanuel.
Welcome, Professor.
Yes, Ahmed. Thank you very much. So, Emmanuel. Emmanuel, but I cannot hear you and I cannot see you. Please show me.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes. So,
Emmanuel, 1 minute.
show me your picture. So, and have some Archangel. Who is Archangel? Okay, so please, Archangel, let me see who is Archangel. So we have Emmanuel, very well. We have Archangel. Very, very good company. Okay, so Emmanuel, I see you. So very, very well, Emmanuel. So nice to see you. Yes, and Archangel Elijah. Yes, Elijah or no?
Yeah, Elijah.
Very well. Okay, so we have Emmanuel, we have Archangel. So and you can listen me now. So Nathan, we have Nathan. Okay, so now we will start very important lecture. Okay, Nathan, I see you. So good afternoon, Nathan. Very well. Nathan, are you hear me? Please, Nathan, please switch on your microphone. Let me hear you, Nathan.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So now we have a lecture. So the very important lecture. So tomorrow. So first, please listen to me carefully. So not tomorrow. Yesterday. I'm sorry. Yesterday. So yesterday. Now let me show you what we had yesterday. Okay, so yesterday we had a control work. Okay, so let me show you. So the forum and control work. So yesterday's control work. Okay, this is a control work. What does it mean? It means that we finished the first part of our course yesterday. So I gave you the task to control work. So the task is this. So to read this text, to try to learn this information, how to compile functions, Okay, so how to compile functions. Okay, so it is so good. Okay, so let me edit a little. Okay, this page. So it takes some time. Okay, so and compile. Very well. So let me edit a little this message. Okay, so in this way. Okay. Okay. Well. Okay. So how to compile your functions? So your own users functions. So first, you have to declare some fields. What does it mean, fields? Fields mean some data. So for example, the structure. What does it mean, structure? Structure, this is a set of data. Okay, the structure and other data. So the creation of the structure, the declaration of the structure. So these are the declaration of fields. So all the data are called fields. Okay. So after this, it is necessary to declare the function. So our user's function, the function of initializing of the structure in this example. So declaration, this is the headline or so-called prototype. It is declaration and realization. So this block is a realization of the function. So first we declare fields, so the data. After this we declare and realize the function, and only after this we use them. So you have three steps. First, the declaration of fields. The second, the declaration and creation of the function. Okay, so the function with returning value. Okay, and the third, the using of the function. Okay, so this is the text of the program. So your task is to copy this text, the listing, to copy. So press Ctrl C. Yes, so the task for control work. First, to copy the listing of the program. So second, to put it in GDB online C compiler. So this is a link. So let us open this link. Yes, in separate place. Okay, so this is C compiler. So here you must select C language, language C in this compiler. So instead of this standard hello world program, it is necessary to insert. Press Ctrl V to insert our program. So in this line 51 here, so let us return in the line structure initialization. Where is structure initialization? Here. Okay, so let us go to the online compiler. Here you must, instead of this X, so you must to put your number for example, Emmanuel in the register, the number of Emmanuel, for example, number 1. Okay. So after this, so the name, so Emmanuel, I'm sorry, it is necessary to change the keyboard to English. So one more time, and Emmanuel, okay. So Emmanuel, where is Emmanuel? So Archangel, Ahmed, Samir, Nathan, where is Emmanuel? Okay, Emmanuel. Okay, so Emmanuel. Please, now, Emmanuel, are you hear me? Emmanuel.
Yeah, I can hear you.
The task for you now. Please send me your surname. Your surname in the chat. Please send me. Now, can you type your
Yeah, I will send it now.
Okay, please type your name. Okay, he's waiting. Okay, so he's waiting. Yes, now I copy. Now I return to the demonstration. Okay, and let us put here your surname. Yes, so instead of this access, so must be put it your name. So after this, your score, for example, your academic score, for example, 75 and 65. Okay, so your score. So after this, it is necessary to leave in the screen this line. So with your number, with your name, and with your score. So in this way, that this line is seen in the screen. Okay. So after this, to press run. Yes, and to compile the program. Yes, so here is your data. So number, student number 1, Emmanuel Ehisvenin. Okay, so your times your hours in 5 days. Okay, so now we have some bad place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 4, it is necessary to put the space. So here we must put before the score. So we must put, no. We must put just a space. So after this, to press run. Okay, so it is better. So 5, this is 5 days of the week, the working hours or academic hours, learning hours. So it means that in Monday, Emmanuel spent only 2 hours. In what is next? Monday, Tuesday 5. So in Wednesday 5 again, in Thursday 8, and in Friday, Emmanuel was free. Okay, so his score is 75. So how this numbers of hours are generated? They are generated with the help of a random function, random number function, rand %9. So in the range from 0 to 8. From 0 to 8. Okay. Okay, so this is your task. Instead of this access, so one more time. So let us return to our Moodle. So to our listing, it is necessary to correct this row with the out of the score. Okay, so and so you cannot see the example. Okay, so it is necessary to correct. So okay, so let us try to put here the picture with example one more time. Okay, so something, okay, I'm sorry. The picture. Insert the picture. Oh. Okay, so the picture will be this picture. Okay, so now you see which picture you must obtain. So you must take the photo of this picture and to send it to me. Yes, through the mail, and to make the conclusion. Yes, and to make the conclusion. Okay, so Emmanuel, Archangel, Ahmed, Samir, Nathan, Talek. So, the question for you, Emmanuel, Elijah, and Nathan, because Samir and Ahmed understood. Okay, so Emmanuel, Elijah, and Nathan, do you understand the task? Please tell me now. Do you understand?
Yes, we understand it.
No, sorry, please repeat.
To make the photo with your own result, not my result, but your own result. Your own result. So the photo of this page. Okay. So here must be put the number of Elijah, the name of Elijah, the score of Elijah. So the number of Nathan, the name of Nathan, and the score of Nathan. And here must be the result of compilation. So the photo with this line, so structure initialization, so to see, so and the result of compilation. So and Emmanuel too. So it is necessary to change. Yes. So to make a photo, to be sure that here is truly C language, to press run. Yes. Okay, Amir. Amir is next. So Amir, it is Amir. I'm sorry. He is our new student, Amir, from Sudan. Okay, Amir. Where is Amir? Amir. So Amir, please.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, Amir.
Yeah.
Yes. So are you hear me, Amir?
Yeah, I am here.
Yes. Yes, Amir. Hello. So I now tell you the task. So Amir, yesterday we have a control work. A control work. So a control work. So let us go to the Moodle. So a control work is available in the page Computer Science and Engineering first course in the Moodle. So you have this course in the Moodle. Okay. So the новостной forum, the forum of news. Okay. Let us save this information. Okay, let us save. Okay, and let us enter новостной forum again. So Amir, for you. So one more time to open Computer Science and Engineering page and forum of news. Новостной forum in Russian. Okay, so open. Yes, and here we have the 10th of November, yesterday, control work. Yes. Amir, are you
Yes.
here?
I hear you.
Yes, so новостной forum, 10th of November. So the forum of news. So the video linking. Okay. So, and the information how to compile the function. So it is necessary to perform 3 steps. The declaration of fields. Fields means some data, the variables, the structure. Okay, they are called fields. So the second step, the declaration and realization of the function. And third step, the using. Okay, so this is a listing of the program. Amir, are you see this?
Yeah.
Yes, so you must to copy this listing of the program, to copy. Yes, So in computer, I just press Ctrl C, but you must to copy all this listing. So this is a listing.
That's all, yeah?
Yes, in the gray background, this is a listing. Yes, so and you must open this link after this. I'm sorry. So let us show you again the task for control view. To copy first, second to put in this link. So this is a link. So open this link. Okay.
Mhm.
Yes, this is so-called compiler, online compiler. So instead
Then I copy, then I,
copy and put
there.
with the help of this link given in the control work. Okay, so instead of this text, hello world program, so you must insert, I press Ctrl V, okay, for this purpose computer, so to insert the listing of the program. So here in this listing, you have the line with structure initialization. So it is about 50 first line. Okay. So in this line, it is necessary, instead of this axis before the first comma, to put your number according to the register. For example, number 3. Okay, number 3. 3 and comma. Okay, so instead of this, it is necessary to put your name. For example, Amir, and let us try to see your
AMR.
Danglo.
Yeah.
Amir Danglo. Okay, so let us return. And put here Danglo. Okay. Danglo. Okay, so instead of this, it is necessary to put your academic score. For example, 80.0. Okay. It is your own floating. Okay, so after this, it is necessary to be sure that language is C. So here must be C, selected C. Okay, and press run. Okay, and obtain the result of compilation. So the result of compilation, student number 3, so this is 3. So Amir Danglo. Okay, so this is the group of hours in 5 days. It means, for example, that in Monday you spent 5 hours, learning hours. In Tuesday you spent 4, Wednesday 6, in Thursday 7, and Friday 4. So these digits are generated randomly with the help of rand function, in the range from 0 to 8. So I'm sorry. Okay, so yes, and this is your score, 80 and 80.09. Okay, so your task is to insert, to put here instead of axis. So instead of axis, yes, to put your information. So your number, your name, yes, and your score, academic score. Yes, in this format. So 2 digits before decimal point and 2 digits after decimal point. So after this, to change language to C, to press run and to obtain the result. So to make photo, Amir, do you understand?
Little.
To make the photo of this picture, the screenshot of this picture, yes, and to send it to me, So in which address? So let us try to step inside Moodle one more time again. So okay, so the forum. Yes. Okay, this is not this discipline. So computer science and engineering, first course. So the forum, новостной forum, in Russian новостной forum, in English forum of news. Okay, so you must open the first link, okay, in this computer science and engineering. So after this, the message in this forum dated by the yesterday's data, so 10th of November. Okay, so to open, yes, the control work, yes, to copy, yes, to go to this link to insert, and to put here instead of this your number, to press run, be sure that language is chosen. So, and to photo, to make a screenshot and to send it to me through this email. Are you see this, Amir, or not?
Yeah, I see.
So this is my email. So and
This is your email.
yes, and in addition, so in this mail, so in addition to screenshot, to make a conclusion, so to write a conclusion, which 3 steps are necessary to write the program with your own structure and your own functions. Okay, to send this conclusion in the letter with this photo. So which 3 steps must be included? First step, declaration of fields. Okay, so the second step, declaration and realization of functions. And the third step, using. Okay, so in your letter to me, so must be indicated first, declaration of fields, second, declaration and realization of function, third, using. And it is necessary to attach the photo, the screenshot, and to send all this to me. Okay, do you understand it?
Okay.
Very well. So, and this is for all the group. So, all the group, are you understand me or not? Please tell me all.
Yes, we understand it very well.
Elijah, are you understand it?
Yes, I understand.
Nathan, do you understand it? Nathan,
Yeah, understand.
are you understand? Emmanuel,
Yeah, I understand.
okay, so now can I be sure that you are understand and you will complete all? Okay, so now I'm sure that you understand and you will complete the control work. Okay, so if you see Morel, for example, please tell Morel, because Morel is absent now. Okay, please tell Morel and other students of our group who are not present today. For example,
Hey, Morel is present.
yes, Morel is absent now. Okay, so
He's present, he's present.
Morel,
It's Nathan Morel.
Nathan, you are
Can
Morel.
hear you, teacher.
Oh, I'm sorry, Nathan. So because
Yeah, it's the same person actually.
I remind that no Nathan is presented in my group. So, but Morel is
Yeah.
so Morel it is Nathan. Very well. Colleague it is Morel. So I'm sorry. I'm Morel. So I'm sorry, Nathan colleague. So you are so Giri Raj is absent. Our friend from India is absent now. So if you have a possibility, please tell Giri to complete this task. So which task it is necessary to complete? And now I suppose that you all understand the task, so and you will complete in the near future, nearest future, this control work, and to send me in my email, so the result, your result, the result of compilation. So this is the end of our first half of our course. And today we will start the second half of our course. Very important day is today, because today we will try to understand the basics computing of modern programming. Okay, so please see one more time again, 3 steps: declaration of fields, so declaration of data. So the second, declaration and realization of function. And only after this, so the executable part with we go to the today's lecture page. Okay, so today we have a lecture. So the lecture with the name class and object. Class and object. Okay, so let us create this lecture. So let us go to the Microsoft Visual C++ 6.0. It is better to open Microsoft C++ 6.0. So, okay. So Amir, be very careful. Now I will show you now how to open Microsoft Visual Studio. So other students have the possibility to show this, but now I will open this Microsoft Visual Studio. So now I will open it. You cannot see, but now I will show you. Okay, so you have your possibility to show. Okay, so where is our Visual Studio? Visual C++ 6.0. Okay, so it is absent. So now I will try one more time. Okay, so yes. Okay, so this is our Microsoft Visual Studio. I'm sorry, Microsoft Visual C++ 6.0. I'm sorry, students. So
Okay.
I'm sorry. So yes. Okay. So after 10 minutes, we must to end this conference, to stop this conference. So, but please, after 10 minutes, are you hear me?
Yes.
So Elijah, Samir, Marel, Emmanuel, Ahmed, are you here?
Yeah.
Elijah,
Yeah, yeah.
Samir,
We are.
okay, Ahmed. So please, after 10 minutes, so now terminated. Please,
What you say?
please enter again. So after 10 minutes, please enter this conference again. So now we have a break in 10 minutes. Yes?
Yes, okay.
Understand me?
Okay, we understand that, teacher.
10 minutes, please enter this conference again, and we will continue. Okay, so now I will terminate this conference, and after this termination, after 10 minutes, please enter again. Okay, so now we have a short break.